This is the Woodford RK-17 repair kit for the Model 17. On the front of the package, it will come with a list of parts there that the package should include, as well as that little picture breakdown of how and where the parts go. We'll go ahead and get everything out of the package here. So it'll come with that handle, which is a metal handle, the handle screw, the vacuum breaker cap, vacuum breaker body, and the vacuum breaker float. And this float should come with that reddish orange seal right there on the end, as well as these two beveled check valves here, the rubber packing, the packing nut, this brass washer here, and then the retainer screw as well. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of each part in the kit. We can start with the handle. We'll get a outside diameter of the face of the handle, which measures right at 1 3/4 inches. And then we can go ahead and get a total height as well, which is kind of hard to measure. That's right about 1 3/4 inches as well. And then we can measure the vacuum breaker body, and that has a total length of about 3/4 of an inch. And then the little float, if we can try to get a measurement here, measures right at 1/2 inch. And then this beveled check washer here also measures right at 1/2 inch. And then we can measure the rubber packing. We'll get a total outside diameter of right about 3/4 of an inch and a total height of right about 1/4 of an inch. And then we can measure the packing nut. Packing nut will be hexed and then have those external male threads there. So we can go ahead and get an outer diameter here at that hex side, which should measure right at about 1 inch, and a total height of about 1/2 inch. And we can also measure the brass washer fitting here. So it'll have the total height of right about 1/4 of an inch and an outer diameter of about 3/4 of an inch. So once again, this is the Woodford RK-17MH repair kit.